Good everyone. In today's class, we'll be talking about rock formation. That is the topic for discussion. Rocks are aggregates of two or more minerals. When two or more minerals come together, we refer to that formation as rock. We have three main classes of rocks. We have the igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic. The igneous rock are those rocks that are formed through the cooling and solidification of molten magma. I have teaching aid today. You can see. Now, characteristics of igneous rock, they are crystalline in nature, do not contain fossil, they do not occur in layers. You can see the rock. You see this one is crystalline. You see the shining, how it's shining. You see the uniformity. Okay, you see it does not occur in layers. You see this one. See how it's shining. Okay, if you break this one now inside, if you break it down, inside is shining like these ones. If you look at this one now, you see it's shining. Though this one, the crystalline content of this one is higher than this. You see, these are all igneous rock. They are formed through cooling and solidification of molten magma. Okay. Now we have sedimentary rock. This one is formed when water, action of water brings different materials together and they cement together to form rock. Look at it. See example. You can see that it occurs in layers. It is stratified. You see different when you look at it. You see pebbles, you see clay, you see sand, you see different materials coming together. You see the color of this side is quite different from this one. You see layers, you see this layer, you see another layer to show sedimentation. You can see, you see this one, you see another layer, you see different layers. Call it sedimentary rock. They sediment. They come and they are being deposited one on top of each other to form this. Now, metamorphic rock, meta means change. It is a rock form, it's a change rock form when you subject this or this to create heat and pressure. In other words, this is metamorphic rock. You see, this is metamorphic rock. Now, when you subject this igneous rock or sedimentary rock to great heat and pressure, it will form this. We now say it is change rock. We change this one to form this. When this one undergo heat and pressure, it will form this. Okay, now we have that igneous rock. We have two major types. We have the intrusive igneous rock and extrusive. Now, intrusive means they solidify inside the earth surface. They solidify beneath the earth surface. Okay, we call them intrusive or plutonic rocks. It is either intrusive or plutonic. They are solidified beneath the earth crust. Example: we have the gabbro, we have the granite, we have the diorite. Now we have extrusive X out. Okay, this one solidify upon the earth surface, on the earth surface. This one's common. Okay, you know, you can now see it is extrusive or volcanic. Okay, you know volcanic eruption. Volcanic. When the molten magma comes out to solidify on top of the earth surface, we say it is volcanic. Example is basalt. Okay. Now the granite, which is intrusive, contains two minerals known as spores and feldspar. These are the two major minerals granite contain. Whereas basalt is rich in iron and magnesium. Now there's something very important to get to know. When magma, don't forget, magma is the main source of igneous rock, cooling and solidification of magma. When magma contains 60% or higher percent of silica, we say it is acidic igneous rock. For example, granite. It means granite is acidic igneous rock because it contains 60 and above percent of silica. Now, when it contains less than 50% silica, we say it is basic. It is basic. Okay, that is basalt. It should be basalt. It is, example is basalt. You know, basalt is volcanic. Okay, it's basic. Now, when it contains magma of between 50 to 60%, we say it is intermediate rock. Okay, say it is intermediate rock. So these are the information on igneous rock. In subsequent video, we'll be talking about sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. Like and share if you like the video and the class, and comment. If you have any question, contact me. I will put you through. Thank you for listening.